Okay, let us look at some mathematics problem revisions, like the one we have here. Question 1. What is the value of 3 into 4 squared minus 2 squared bracket minus 5 times 6 divided by 2? So how to go about this problem is to use BODMAS. We are going to use BODMAS. So BODMAS, B stands for bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So we start with bracket where we have 3 into 4 squared minus 2 squared. So we want to have 3 bracket 4 squared is 16 minus 2 squared is 4. So if we deal with this first, we can say that 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 times 3 and that is 12 times 3 is 36. So from the bracket, that is what we get, and we go to division. So if we pull this one down, we want 36 minus 5 times 6 divided by 2. So we go to division. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 5, and there we have 36. So it is multiplication of 3 times 5 is 15. So 36 minus 15, we subtract 6 minus 5 is 1, and 3 minus 1 is 2. So we have 21 as our answer. So we have followed BODMAS. We started with the bracket, then we go to division here. After division, we did not have addition, so we subtracted and we got our answer to be that. So I have another problem here which let us try to solve. We are still going to follow BODMAS, where we have 4 over 3 into 5½ minus 3¼ So first of all, we are going to start with that bracket part. So we have 4 over 3 in bracket. Let's change this one into proper fraction. 2 times 5 plus 1 is 11. 11 over 2 minus 4 times 3 plus 1 is 13 over 4. So if we simplify this, we can say, this is the same as 4 over 3 times 11 over 2, 4 over 3 times 13 over 4. So over 3 times 11 over 2, that is 44 over, this times this is 44. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 4 over 3 times 13 over, so 13 times 4, let us see, 4 times 3 is 12. Carry 1, 4 times 4, 1 is 4 plus 1, we carried 5, so that is 52 over 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, so to work this one out, we are going to use LCM, and LCM here is 12. 6 goes into 12, 2 times 44 is 88, minus 12 goes into 12, 1 times 52 is 52. So 52, 88 minus 52, that is 6. This one is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 5 is 3. So there is 36 over 12. This one can be simplified. Like we say 12 goes here 1, 12 go here 3. So the whole of that bracket we have 3. Then we pull this one down. So we are going to off. So let us rearrange this one. What we have now, 3 plus a third of 21 minus 2 and 3 over 4 divide by 1 and 3 over 8. So we go to off, and off is a third of 21. So a third of 21 here, this section, a third of 21, and we say a third times 21, and that one we get 7. So the whole of that is 7. We can rearrange this one again as 3 plus 7 minus 2 and 3 over 4 divide by 1 and 3 over 8. So we go to division now, and division is this one. So here we have mixed fractions. So the mixed fractions, we are going to write them into improper fraction first. So let me work out that one here. So we have 2 and 3 over 4. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 plus 3 is 11. Is 11 over 4 divided by 8 times 1 is 8 plus 3 is 11 over 8. 11 over 8. So we have 11 over 4 divided by 11 over 8. And we know if we are dividing using a fraction, we find the reciprocal of the divider. So it is 11 over 4 times, division changes to times, so we have and reciprocal where the numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. That is 8 over 11. And from here we can cross multiply because we see the numbers can cancel each other. So 11 cancels 11, and 4 goes there too. So here we have 2. So this side we had 3, this one here, 3 plus 7 minus 2. So we add first before subtract. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. So from here we find our answer to be 8 from the working. So Using that method, we have some questions here which you can try and check by yourselves if the answers are correct. What is the value of 24 divided by 3 plus 4 times 5 minus 8 divided by 4 times 10 plus 1? So, learners, you can attempt that. There's also another question here which deals of the same. You can also try this one. Work out a third of bracket 8 and a third times 1 and a fifth, close the bracket, divide by 2 and 1 over 4 minus 1 and 1 over 2. Thank you for your time.